Birthday cupcakes for school, friends! Let's bake nut-free treats together! Wash your hands, wear aprons, smiles ready for baking fun. 1, 2, 3 eggs gently crack into our mixing bowl. White flour goes in, absolutely no nuts for school safety. Crack, crack! Shells drop softly into the bowl below. Mix slowly, watch the batter turn bright yellow and smooth. Pink, blue, yellow cups wait patiently for cupcake batter pouring. Pour carefully, friends, not too much batter inside each cup. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Into the oven they go, beginning their magical baking journey. Wait patiently, friends. Cupcakes rise fluffy and golden inside. They're ready now. Look how perfectly golden and beautiful. Let them cool first. Hot cupcakes need gentle patience, friends. Time to decorate with sweet frosting and happy smiles. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Frosting dances like colorful clouds above. Rainbow sprinkles fall softly like tiny stars everywhere today. 6 perfect school-safe cupcakes. Remember, friends, absolutely no nut. Bye, friends. Thanks for baking and celebrating with me today.